Thank you for choosing Great Roofing and Restoration to do your roofing project and beautify your home. At this point, the contract is signed, materials have been delivered, and first payment has been made. Necessary permits have been acquired, and your build date is within 24 to 48 hours. Now, the fun begins. This video will run through a few important housekeeping items that will help the build process move along more smoothly. It will also show a snapshot of the actual build process. Please watch this video in its entirety and call your project manager with any questions. When materials are delivered to your home, please check the color and type on the packing slip. Notify Great Roofing and Restoration immediately if this is not what you selected. Be prepared for noise. There will be constant hammering and other tools being used for a day or so, depending on the size and scope of the project. Keep small children and pets away from the work areas. Remove all loose items from the shelves and walls. This includes pictures, plates, figurines, and the like. Hammering may create vibrations that will shake these items off of shelves or walls. Remove all items from around the property where bundles of material or roofing debris may fall. Items such as patio and pool furniture, potted plants, and gardening equipment. Leaves or blooms may be knocked off of plants near your property during the job. We do our best to protect the landscaping, but there are times when the layout of the landscape prevents us from being able to do so. During a roofing project, dust may fall from your rafters or undersides of your decking. Please protect all items and clothing that this could damage. If we are redecking your home, be aware that a small amount of dust and wood chips will fall into the attic. We will need access to your driveway to load materials and clean up. Please park all vehicles away from the driveway the night before your project begins, and continue to do so until the project is completed. Occasionally, we will use power tools to cut decking or shingles. When we do, please check your power breakers to make sure they are operating correctly and have not been tripped. Precautions are taken to prevent gutter damage. However, there are instances when damage to gutters is unavoidable. Very steep roofs, or those that are completely surrounded by gutters, are particularly prone to this type of damage. Check heater vents, hot water heaters, and stove vents to ensure they have not been loosened from vibrations. Any sort of change in weather may cause work on your project to be delayed or postponed. This is uncontrollable. Nails that fall from the roof during a project will be picked up with an 80-pound magnetic roller. We will make every effort to pick up all of the nails. Please be advised that a few nails may still remain hidden in grass or shrubbery. Occasionally, materials have been sealed to the side walls of the roof. Age, along with moisture and saturation, can rot wood. During the removal of shingles along walls, paint removal and chipping of wood may occur. Great Roofing and Restoration is not responsible for this unavoidable occurrence. When removing 2 or more layers from a roof, your roof line will drop and will be evident along any wall. The change in appearance will be nominal and will not have any negative impact on the integrity of roofing and flashing. Great Roofing and Restoration is not responsible for this unavoidable occurrence. When old roofing is removed, a tremendous amount of weight is taken off of the frame of your home. This can cause slight movement in rafters or beams. This shifting may cause small stress cracks in your ceiling, and you may notice paint popping off of nail heads. Tear-offs requiring 2 or more layers will magnify these imperfections. Great Roofing and Restoration is not responsible for this occurrence. The following is directly from the manufacturer, which is a brief overview of a correct installation of a GAF lifetime roofing system.
Replacing a roof is not just about new shingles. It's about installing a complete roofing system that will protect your most valued asset for years to come. But before you install the roof components, you'll need to remove all of the old roofing, evaluate the roof deck for damage, and make any necessary repairs. Then you'll need to install a leak barrier, which is a self-adhering waterproof membrane that helps protect the most vulnerable areas of the roof. Next is roof deck protection, which covers and helps protect against wind-driven rain that can blow underneath your shingles. Then, starter strip shingles are installed at the eaves of your roof to help prevent your shingles from blowing off in high winds. Now, you're ready to install quality asphalt shingles, which will not only help to protect your home, but also beautify it for years to come. They're available in a wide array of colors to complement the taste of virtually any homeowner. Next is a ridge vent, which is installed at the ridge and works with eave vents to help remove damaging heat and moisture from your attic. Finally, ridge cap shingles are installed on the hip and ridge areas of your home to help to protect against leaks and high winds at these vulnerable areas. All these components are part of the GAF Lifetime Roofing System. GAF is North America's largest roofing manufacturer and has been in the business for over 125 years.
We will finish the video with a few additional comments. We inspect decking to ensure integrity and take photos of any decking requiring replacement, as this is sometimes an added and unforeseen cost. Your roof will be built to local building code and to manufacturer specifications. Most roofs can be done in one day, but if you have a very large roof, a multi-family building, or you choose a specialty product, the roof may take longer. Just ask your project manager, and they should be able to give you a better idea of the time frame. We do a final walkthrough, and assuming everything looks good, we expect a final payment either from you or your insurance company on the day of the completion. If you have an extended manufacturer warranty as part of the contract, by manufacturer rules, you will not be eligible or receive that warranty until we are paid in full. Once that final payment is received, we file for the warranty. Please make all checks payable to Great Roofing and Restoration. And once again, thank you for choosing us, Great Roofing and Restoration.